Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptics. Today I'm going to show you how to get CrossDoge. It's the first crypto project that is aiming to mass adopt the Binance Smart Chain, and you can actually visit the website here and take a look at what it is doing. So how do you get your hands on it? Well, it's based off of Binance, so you're going to want to go to Binance and go ahead and find the Binance token, which is BNB, and purchase some Binance. After you purchase the Binance coin, you can come here to MetaMask.io. It's MetaMask.io. You want to make sure you're going there and put it in your wallet. This is secure and it's easy to use and install on your browser. After all of that's done, you can come here and you can go ahead and copy this and then head to PancakeSwap, select a currency, paste this in here, CD, we hear the cool sound effect, and you're good to go. So if you've enjoyed this video, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to know when we post more videos, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.